Sailor Mouse. Sailor Mouse. Sailor Mouse. Sailor Mouse ran away to sea, looking for a big adventure. He expected the cabin
இருக்குல்லம்மா வந்துருச்சு இந்தா இதை படி
but he fed it all to the shark instead. Land got alone there. The three shipmates went ashore on Coconut Island. Who the pirate went to Sailor Mouse was in Smoodle's big bag. Pirate Smoodle as two-way came the pirate when they saw Sailor Mouse. They made him clear of all their rubbish. It was time to reach those pirates and once Sailor Mouse, he come to save you. That was great big adventure, said Sailor Mouse. Let's do it all again tomorrow.